Hello, I'm Emmanuel, and this is Kitchen Ordinaire. So let's cook dinner together, or lunch, and have some fun! Hello, everybody! Another dish from my youth, a quiche with leeks, and also bacon. Yes. Let's get going. We have some milk, we have some heavy cream, some eggs, some cheese, some leeks. I like to think of leeks as a super onion. Yeah, we only need this part. So then we're gonna split that in half and see, that's a dirty vegetable right there. But so delicious! So what do? We take out the outer leaf and then we're going to have them lengthwise again and chop them up just like that. Now we're going to clean them. How do you clean leeks? Well, that's the easy part. You just stick them in water and let the dirt fall down to the bottom. Okay! Well, we've got our leeks taking a bath. We're gonna chop up the bacon into little bits about yay big. And now we're gonna fry it. Yeah. So I said this was a dish from my youth because my mom used to make this on Sundays. Sunday afternoons we'd go, hang out in the country, come back. This is an easy meal. She could feed the little family and be done with it. Leeks, prepare to meet the bacon. Yeah. So here you want to have your leeks patted dry nicely after the bath, because otherwise you throw that in the bacon and you burn yourself and it's terrible. And okay, salt and pepper and give that a little stir. Look at that. Don't overcook it because now we're gonna bake this stuff. Okay, we're making our mix. We need a big bowl and big fork. That's a big fork. All right, eggs. We're going to use 4 eggs. I'm cracking an egg, but you can't see because there's a bowl in the way because I'm left-handed. Okay, 1. What do I do with that? Okay, that works. All right, so 4 eggs, and then we're going to use just the yolk of 1 egg. This is me expertly separating the yolk from the egg white. And then keep the egg white and make yourself an egg white omelette the next day. Or a pisco sour. Ooh, I should do cocktails sometimes. Okay, a 1/4 cup of cream. We're going to also throw in a cup of milk, and it's going to be time for the cheese. I'm not sure what kind of cheese I had that day, but I suspect it was the Fiesta brand that I put in tacos. I don't know. Cheddar, Swiss, go crazy. Salt and pepper, of course, and then you give that a little bit of a stir. Here I am with the Fiesta cheese. And okay, why 4 eggs and just one yolk? I don't know. Ask my mom. I have no idea. Now we're throwing in our mix with the bacon and the leeks. Looks good. Little stir, and you can make your own crust if you have time. This is store-bought. Absolutely no problem with that. And we pour it in. And look! It's right to the top. It's like perfect. Maybe that's why we only put 4 eggs plus a yolk. If we had 5 eggs, maybe it would, overflow or something. Careful, dude. Stick that in the oven. And then you can check it for doneness. You put a toothpick in it, and if the toothpick comes out nice and clean, it's done. It's got that nice golden color. Ooh, yeah. And then serve that with a very simple salad, green salad with a little vinaigrette. And enjoy!